We are honored to hear from the leaders who are shaping India's voice AI ecosystem at the national level. Now it's my pleasure to invite Mr. Amitabh Nag, CEO Digital India Bajni Division, our chief guest today, to share his perspectives on the voice technology ecosystem in India.
Thank you very much, and you know, good to be part of it. Although I am in a rush, and although I wanted to be with the team in the morning, I could land up at this point in time, and also, I'd missed multiple discussion which we are having. So we am today at Jammu, having a workshop with the state government to increase the data corpus for Dogri and Kashmiri languages, as well as looking at some other languages which are local to this place. So it will be quite an interesting phase because we have almost touched base with 21 and 22nd state now. There are 6 or 7 states which are in pipeline to sign off very soon. They are going to be also part of our ecosystem, and those ecosystems actually will work upon building this, voice AI system, and will take this forward. So, thank you very much for being part of this revolution. But all of us should be, looking at how do we encourage, people to contribute data. How do we build those narrow use cases which are there, and how do we strive towards better accuracy, better portfolio, better things which are around uh, today. So this hackathon was one such event in that direction, while as there would be other use cases which we all have to work upon. So thank you very much for having me here, Partha. But at this particular short notice, as well as adjusting to the times which have been quite engaging for me here, because we had planned this workshop for a very long time. So I couldn't be there in Bangalore, and also in the morning there was a inaugural ceremony where Honorable Minister was there, so I couldn't be part of it. But having said that, let's strive for something which is very great and better. Both GIZ and Partha and IISC have been working very hard on this collection of data, which is the oil for all AI models. And we hope that the young minds in the hackathons would result into a considerable improvement in the models as well as accuracy. Thank you very much for having me here, and all the best.
Thank you, sir, for joining us in such a short notice.